Okay, 3 days at Grandma's. You excited?
Yes, Grandma said her tomatoes are ready. I want to see the garden. Does Grandma still make that corn soup? Jack, you just had breakfast.
That was a different meal.
Of course it was. How could I forget? Listen, Grandma is not young. Don't make extra work for her. Emma, look after your brother. I always do.
I don't need looking after.
No accidents. Deal?
Deal.
Slow down!
Woof! Woof! Whoa, big guy.
Jack, are you okay? Big guy, no! Come here! Oh, Jack, I'm sorry. He doesn't know his own size.
Grandma!
Oh, I missed you too. Look how tall you are, Jack.
Grandma, did you make the corn soup?
Yes, Jack. I made the corn soup.
Yes! Grandma, can I see the garden later?
The tomatoes are waiting for you, big and red. I saved the best ones.
Really, Grandma, for me?
Yes, my dear.
Thank you! I can't wait!
Help Grandma. Be good. Okay, Jack?
Yeah, Dad, we know. Emma, I'm counting on you.
I know, Mom. We'll be fine. Call me tonight, okay? Go, go. Everything is fine here. Drive safe.
We will, Mom. Goodbye.
Ah! Yeah!
These are my favorite ones. Big guy, look what you've done.
Woof, woof!
Oh, Emma. He doesn't know his own size. I'll wash them tonight.
Grandma, can he please stay outside?
He'd cry all night. Okay.
Hey, that's mine! Big guy, give it back! Those are my favorite socks! Big guy, stop!
Jack, you can't catch him. He's bigger than you.
Again? You just wanted to play, didn't you?
Woof! Woof!
But I don't want to play. Emma, I can't sleep. I know, Jack. He sounds like Dad's truck. Worse than Dad's truck. Grandma, can I say something?
Of course, Emma. What is it?
It's about Big Guy. He knocked Jack over. He licked my clothes. He knocked my whole suitcase over. And right now he is in our room, between the beds. and he's very loud.
He usually sleeps in my room, but I tried that tonight. He kept going back to your room. He's decided you're his people.
Can he sleep somewhere else, just for tonight?
Of course. Don't worry, Emma. It's okay now, big fella. Good boy.
He's finally gone. Good! Now we can sleep. Emma, are you asleep? No, me neither. I keep thinking about Big Guy. Yeah. It must be cold in there. The barn. Probably. Emma, would you want to sleep there on a rainy night? No, I'd be scared. Do you think he's scared? We should bring him a blanket. Yes, let's do it. Get up, Jack.
He's not here. He went out the window, Jack. Where did he go? We have to tell Grandma.
Emma, are you okay? It's all my fault. Why did I make him sleep in the barn? Don't say that. It's not all your fault. Grandma! I'm sorry. Big Guy is gone. He went through the window. We came to bring him a blanket and...
Come inside. You're soaking wet, both of you.
Grandma, are you angry?
No, Jack. I'm not angry.
It's my fault. I asked you to put him in the barn.
He knows this land. He'll be all right. Go dry off. We look in the morning. Oh. Emma! Jack! Breakfast is ready! Come on, you two. The pancakes are getting cold. Eat something. The tomatoes are from the garden. You picked those, Emma.
Grandma, what if Big Guy doesn't come back?
He always comes back. This is his home.
Big Guy, this is your breakfast. You have to come back and eat it.
I'll just check the corn. Back soon.
She's looking for Big Guy. I know. It's already been 2 hours. Grandma still hasn't come back. The cornfield is too quiet. Let's look somewhere else first.
Grandma!
Grandma, are you in there? She has to be in there. Yeah. No signal. We go in. Stay together, Jack. Don't let go of my hand. What if we get lost? We won't. Come on. Emma, why is it so quiet? I thought the house was that way. Hey, look at me, Jack. We are going to find Grandma, okay? Okay.
Oh, that's him! Come on! Oh, Jack!
Don't cry. I'm fine. I just stepped in a hole. My ankle, I can't walk on it.
Grandma, how long have you been here?
Maybe 2 hours. Big guy found me very fast. He wouldn't leave.
He stayed the whole time?
The whole time. And he barked when he heard you. I think he knew you were close.
He came back. After the barn. He came back on his own.
He always comes back. This is his home.
Grandma, does it hurt here?
It's okay, sweetheart. Just a twist. There's medicine and bandages in the house.
Jack, run back to the house. Kitchen under the sink. Get the first aid box. And Grandma's walking stick. It's by the front door.
Go fast!
You came back, big guy. Even after that.
Emma! Hey, easy now.
You're really not going to bring it back normally, huh?
Told you. He's never gonna bring it back like a normal dog.
Yeah, his way.
Every single time.
That's our buddy.
I got one! Wow! You stole my fish! He didn't just catch it, he stole your victory too. Hey! That was supposed to be my fish. You're such a show-off. Okay. You win this time. He kept the red sock this whole time.
He really likes your stuff, huh?
Yeah, he can keep the red sock.
That's his now, Jack. It always was.
Mom, what happened to your foot?
I'm fine, Anna. The kids took very good care of me. Emma, what happened?
It's a long story, Mom. Grandma will tell you. Dad, how come you came back so early?
The renovation finished faster than we thought, so we decided to come pick you up a day early.
Jack, you made a new friend, I see.
His name is Big Guy. He's really good at fishing.
Where did you two go?
Dad came wearing his Red Rocket socks today. Big Guy was so happy. He made a new friend.
Hey, those are limited edition socks.